Indonesia is a mega biodiversity country with abundant natural diversity ranging from the land and marine biota. Indonesia is filled with beautiful flora and fauna, and Aceh is a part of Indonesia that has exotic natural biota. As a province that has 23 regencies, Subulu Salam is one of the contributors to the natural beauty of Aceh, with such a long and beautiful river band. Welcome to Subulu Salam.
If you look at the topography of Subulu Salam city, this area has 8 rivers that flow from Pakpak Barat, Regency of North Sumatra, to the Aceh Singkil in the south, and South Aceh Regency in the west. Area with river flows, of course, have abundant freshwater fish potential, as has been done by previous researchers in the Lai Soraya River, Sultan Daulat. There are 57% of fish can be consumed. Besides that, 29 have the potential as ornamental fish, and 14% have the potential as ornamental fish that can be consumed.
But the fact that heaven is Subulu Salam has not been able to become a central producer of freshwater fish. So the question is why? How exactly the level of diversity and abundance of freshwater fish found in the city of Subulu Salam? Then what is the management and utilization of freshwater fish among the community? We will answer that question in our research entitled Freshwater Fish as Local Potential Subulu Salam Aceh Province Study of Diversity with Taxonomic, Morphometric, and Ethnobiological process.
Technically, the research took place during May to October in 3 different locations, namely Lai Soraya in Rundeng, Lai Kombi in Penanggalan, and Lai Soraya in Sultan Daulat. For the research procedure, we conducted observation and brief interviews and regarding the physical condition of the river with the local community of fishermen. After conducting the observation stage, we continued with the fish inventory stage. For trap installation, we cooperate with the fishermen.
Furthermore, after the sample was obtained, we recorded the name of the species and the number of species obtained, and then classified based on the level of the taxon. In calculating the fish diversity index, we used the Shannon-Wiener formula. In addition to classification, we also measure the external shape of the fish body or morphometric. Referring to the taxonomic section in the literature of Abraham et al. 2011. And that is no less important, we inform it. With knowledge about use of freshwater fish by the community, or what is called ethnobiology.
Based on the result of the inventory conducted at 3 research stations, 303 fish were obtained from 5 orders with 7 families and 13 species. The highest number of individuals found from a research station was at Station 3, as many as 142 individuals, followed by Station 2, as many as 123 individuals, and Station 1 as many as 38 individuals. The population differences found at each station are related to physical and chemical factors, namely water pH, temperature, current, DO, BOD, and substrate. To see the level of diversity of a fish species from all research stations, calculations were carried out using the Shannon-Wiener formula. Technically, the researchers counted each type from all stations, species diversity from all stations obtained, an index value of 2.442 512. If referring to the formula indicator Shannon winner, the diversity index of freshwater fish is in the medium category.
Measurements were made by accumulating the average of each species, which was referred to by taxonomists. Measurements were made at 15 measurement points. The size difference, of course, is due to differences in the character of the water in the habitat of each fish. The physical, chemical, and biological condition of the water are factors that can affect the shape and size of the fish body. Furthermore, in terms of utilization of all the fish that were successfully inventoried, there were two types of fish that were often used in the world of medians, namely Canastriata and Agnia sp as a treatment and aquarium healing.
Finally, I am Ahdan Subula is a leader of team.
And me, Khairul Umam, as a member of team.
We are from SMA Negeri Unggul Subul Salam, Indonesia. We are ready to contribute in international science, technology, and engineering competition ISTEC 2022.